There's something that happens during a relationship conflict that makes many women secretly despise themselves. You want connection, you want softness, you want to stay loving and open, but suddenly your body tightens, your tone changes, you become sharp, defensive, cold, or emotionally guarded. And afterward, you think, why did I react like that when I didn't even want to fight? What most people don't realize is that defensiveness is often not intentional hostility, it's protection. Your nervous system is protecting you. And when emotional tension rises, your nervous system begins scanning for danger before your conscious mind fully understands what's happening. And if your nervous system learned earlier in life that conflict leads to abandonment, emotional expression leads to shame, vulnerability leads to pain, and being misunderstood feels unsafe, then your body may automatically move into protection. Not because you're manipulative, not because you're toxic, not because you don't care, but because your nervous system believes connection is becoming dangerous. It thinks of it as a threat. And this is the painful part. The more deeply you care about somebody, the more activated your system can become. Because attachment magnifies emotional threat. So suddenly you interrupt, you justify yourself, explain excessively, shut down, become reactive, blame, withdraw emotionally, or get cold to protect your softness. Not because you want disconnection, but because your body is trying to prevent pain. And this is why insight alone often doesn't change relationship patterns. You can understand attachment styles, you can journal, you can meditate, but when the nervous system activates, survival responses often move faster than awareness. And afterwards, many women feel devastated because they think that reaction wasn't who I really am. But often the deeper truth is your nervous system lost access to safety. And when safety disappears, connection becomes difficult to maintain. Many women are carrying shame around their reactions that are actually protection responses. You may look calm on the outside while internally bracing, scanning, overthinking, preparing for rejection, protecting yourself from emotional exposure. And the exhaustion comes from constantly trying to stay emotionally safe while also desperately wanting love. That internal conflict is exhausting. Healing is not about becoming emotionless. Healing is gradually teaching your nervous system I can remain connected to myself even when emotional tension appears. And that's very different because true relational healing is not perfection during conflict. It's increasing your capacity to stay present without abandoning yourself, without attacking or collapsing or disconnecting from love. And that changes everything. In the next video, we're going to explore another question many spiritually aware women quietly ask themselves. Why does love disappear during conflict? If you're interested in learning more about embodied repair and nervous system healing in relationships, you can subscribe below. And if you want to understand why awareness can disappear during emotional pressure, you can also download my free guide below. Why you understand yourself but still lose yourself in relationships. If that was helpful, let me know. If you have comments, I'd love to hear them. I'll see you next time.